Now we have all the gear set inside, which is going to sit inside the engine. This is the entire, right here. This is the transmission. This is what's inside it. This is a transmission cover, and that's what's inside it. Don't forget the breather hole. The gray stuff that I've used around the edge here is Moto Seal, and it works pretty good. When you put Moto Seal on a crankcase or something like this, if you can do it, let it sit 24 hours or overnight before you start putting any oil products in it. If you let it dry up, it just helps. Now we have the fiber washer right here, and we have the steel washer right here. This stainless steel washer will go right here, so that we don't have any hardened steel on aluminum action. And we're going to pick this up. Hard for me to do this stuff one-handed, but I'm going to try. I have to do it one-handed and see what I'm doing, and then see what you're doing out there and wherever you're watching from. The end of this spindle here will go into that small bearing. You might have to move this around a little bit to get it to fit on that bottom gear right there, just to make the spline shaft go in. Okay. See, it's kind of, I have to do this and try and see what I need to see to get this fixed and keep the camera in focus and everything else. Let me tell you, it's not that easy if you're one man dude like me. Okay. Alright, it's gone on the pins right here. Not all the way, but it has gone on. You can move your gear up here, and it should move the gear down here, which it does. But I need to tap this down a little bit before I put the screws in. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put the screws in. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on this oil reservoir nut. And the way I fill these, just give you a trick, is that a lot of these older cases were made where this hole is not here just by random. It's here because if the motor was upright and this goes level across, once you fill that full of oil and it starts to come out, because it's reached that level, that means you have 0.9 kiloliters in it, or whatever the hell that metric shit is. So I'm going to push this down a little bit and then screw it on, and then our transmission will be done. Then the next thing I'll do is we'll work on the belt drive variator. I still have to do the alternator and the other thing, and then we'll work on brakes. At least that's the plan anyway.